Alright everybody, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to be replacing the stock Decklid with this Alibaba Duckbill one. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this Duckbill spoiler and we're going to sand, prime, and paint it and get it in preparation for wrapping. Alright, now that it's been primed, painted, sanded, cleaned, all that, I am now going to wrap it. Alright everybody, now that I have the spoiler wrapped and everything, now I'm going to install it. So first off is going to be opening up your trunk, removing this hanger if you have it, and then first thing will be popping these off, which from what I saw is you just gotta pop them. You don't have to pop them all the way off, so first one I did was popped up here and then popped it. Now it kind of all pops off. Alright, the reason we had to pop this out is because this screw in here holds in this little back piece all around, so we're going to remove that screw there, and then up on this side, that screw there. Alright, now that those are off, we should just be able to pry it off. That just pops right off. Cool. Set this aside. Alright, so the next pieces that we're going to remove are these little bumpers here, because there's a screw that we need up underneath, so I'm going to remove those from both sides. Alright, now that I took those bumpers out, now you can see that there are 7 bolt nuts. Wow, that I'm going to have to take off. So there it is there. So let's take those off. Alright, now that we got all the bolts undone, there's double-sided tape up underneath here, so we're just gonna have to pry it until it pops off. There was some sort of lining here on the original spoiler, so I put double-sided tape to help it again. I think that's just for vibrations, rattling. They had double-sided tape here, which I added back onto the car first, and then finally I took little double-sided beads here, put that all around the holes to act as our gaskets. The new one didn't have any gaskets around the screws, so this is to make sure that no water leaks down into the car where it shouldn't. And then I took these plastic grommets out of the OEM Decklid and put it into this one. Now these holes that came from Alibaba, they were not big enough, so I had to go ahead and take the Dremel tool and get those out. So that should be everything good to go. All right, so there you go. That's everything I've done, and now I'm going to install it. So here it goes. Alright, looks like that's on, so now let's flip it up and screw it in and then look at the final remark. Alrighty, so here's the final look of it. It actually matches up pretty well. Doesn't look like it is off any more than the stock one was. And it does look a little rough, as you can see. I don't know if that is just whether or not it's the wrap or if I should have sanded the spoiler originally a little bit better. Still got a little texture to it, but for a budget kind of thing, it's not that bad. So this is the angle that it looks like on the side. And something I do notice is that over here it's a little flatter, but up over here there's a little bit more of a step up from this portion to this. But already, now that the spoiler's installed, I'm going to button everything back up and then I'll give you my final thought. Alright everybody, thank you for making it to the end of today's video. And to give my final thoughts on this Decklid is, if you're trying to save money, I would recommend going down, if you're trying to save money, just get the little Decklid, little Duckbill one that goes on the end. But if you want a full Decklid on the cheaper side, I would go for this Alibaba one. Just be expected to spend more time getting it perfect. Spend more time than I did on sanding. I only did 1,000 grit sand and the surface quality is not great coming through. So you spend more time on that probably. I don't know, not gonna say what to do, but do more than just 1,000. And then also thing is, you will hit pits. So when I was sanding on this side right here, I did see some pits in that plastic come through, which you should have to fill to get a good surface quality. But if you want something that you can just buy and throw on right away, definitely go for the carbon fiber piece. But for Alibaba, I think it lines up just as well as the original. So you make the call on what you want to spend your time and money on. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought about the spoiler, about it being from Alibaba. If you guys have any comments about the Decklid itself or the installation process, please put a comment down below and I'll respond to it best as I can, quick as I can. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this content or any other of my content, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, put on notifications, all the above. Helps me out tremendously. I enjoy seeing the growth and your guys' feedback and support. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.